All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are here with FSD Supervised 12.3.6. We have not gotten the much anticipated 12.4 yet. Even though it started rolling out to employees last week, it did not go out to customers. So I can only imagine that there were a few bugs that needed to be worked out with that version. And that's fine. We want to give the Tesla team the time that they need to work out the bugs so that we have a stable and confident build. But right now we're going to be contending with a few roundabouts and apparently a few lizards on our windshield here, as that one just landed from a tree above, it looks like. Well, we're going to be headed to the UPS store, just leaving the neighborhood here. We'll have a couple of roundabouts to go through and navigate through some traffic on our way there. So let's see how the system does. Here we go. All right, here's our first roundabout coming up here. Of course, it deals with that well. FSD has been dealing with and negotiating these roundabouts pretty good for some time now, so don't anticipate any issues. Sometimes as we go through these roundabouts, as we're entering them and going through them a bit too fast for comfort, in my opinion. There was actually Elon commented on a tweet on the X platform that came out last night. There was a gentleman that said, hey, even in chill mode, when you have the profile in chill mode, it's still a bit too much in terms of acceleration coming off the line and how fast FSD enters, things like roundabouts. So Elon actually replied to that, and he said that there's going to be now 3 levels. So you'll have chill, you'll have the normal mode, standard, and then you'll have hurry up mode. So hopefully that's something that's coming in 12.4, that additional mode there, and then that will give room for chill mode to hopefully slow down a little bit in terms of the acceleration off the line at stop signs and traffic control devices, as well as how fast it's entering turns when it's in chill mode. So that should be something that we see hopefully in 12.4. Of course, the steering wheel nag is still there. We know that that's something that will be going away in 12.4 depending on the situation, right? You can't have any sunglasses on that we know at the moment. Otherwise, the in-cabin camera can't see your eyes and know that you're paying attention. Also, if you're wearing a hat, the brim of your hat can't be too low to obstruct the clear line of sight of the in-cabin camera to, again, make sure that your eyes are paying attention. All right, we got the green arrow, and we're coming right on through the intersection. Oh, a little close to the median there, but FSD did correct and go a little bit wider when it saw its trajectory was coming a little bit too close to that median. I don't know if you all can still see this lizard that's on the windshield, but it's holding on for dear life here. It's doing a good job. And we're getting a lot of nags here. I don't know what that is, because we're looking ahead, we're paying attention. So something's triggering all these nags. And being this Saturday early afternoon, not a lot of traffic on the roads here, which is a good thing. And I mentioned earlier, it's June 1st, the official start of hurricane season here in Florida. And it's supposed to be quite an active one. But we'll see what happens. as we know, a lot of meteorologists get it wrong. They say it's going to be extremely active, or it's going to rain, it's not going to rain, and it ends up being the complete opposite in most cases. All right, speed limit here on this road is 45, and we're doing a very comfortable, appropriate 54, which feels good. Certainly not condoning going over and blowing the speed limit, but you know, there is something to say about keeping up with the flow of traffic, which is what you want to do to keep safe, right? All right, we're going to be getting in the left turn lane here, and we need to be set up in the right lane because there's two turn lanes here. We need to be in the right side, which is exactly where we're set up here. That's perfect. So as soon as we make this left turn, we're going to be making an immediate right into the plaza here. All right, here we go. All right, here comes our right turn into the plaza. And FSD should navigate us through the plaza here, through the parking lot, and over to the UPS store, which is where we need to go. Stop sign here. It's our NHTSA stop. Very good. Right-hand turn here. All right, and the UPS store is just up ahead on the right here. A car backing out, and we'll see what happens as we approach. Oh, it's actually going to make a right here. Wasn't expecting that. Let's see where FSD takes us here. So certainly not the front door. Okay, we're making a right. All right, now FSD is taking us into the parking lot of the Truist Bank, which is not where we need to go. Well, let's see what happens here. I was actually hoping that we'd pull in front of the UPS store and FSD would manage to park us in a parking space, which is something that Tesla Latino down in Miami actually reported. All right, so this is a do not enter, and I'm going to stop it here because, as you can see, it was going to try to take us right through the wrong direction of the drive-through here at the bank. So we are going to back up here, and we'll manually finish this out. So clearly FSD there had some trouble finding the UPS store, at least the front parking area. But anyway, we'll conclude this video, and we'll hope that on the next video we have 12.4, which we're all very, very much anticipating and waiting for. So we will see you here on the next video. Have a great weekend.